been women who have put the conditioning in that you have to earn it, which is just so, first of all, it's just repugnant. But secondly, it's wrong-headed. See, you may have to earn it in the material world, but that's only if I'm property. If I am actually the full expression of, the sacred force that I am, then the opposite, I have no blessed bleeds, the opposite of what you'd have to do would be to earn it. It's my obligation to ensure that you're well fed and well guided. And so for me to have it be that you have to earn it to get in with me, it holds me in my lowest self. If I make you earn it, I'm holding me in my lowest self as property.
Yeah.
And so, but I have to rise in my own consciousness to know who I am, to realize I'm the one with the resources that are here to feed and guide. And I think that's the important thing, because you have to do both. It's like two wings on a bird. Because if I just feed you, then you turn into an extreme liberal. And what I mean by you turn into a teacup child that is demanding and deserving without work. And so that doesn't work. But but if I don't feed you, then you turn into an extreme conservative that only works, that is the letter of the law of duty, but doesn't have the joyous nurturance in their work, so that what you spread is joy and well-being as opposed to rigid dogma and duty. So you have to have both of these wings for that to occur. And I think it's a place until women, when I try to do the math, which I often try to do, and I always look for what is the karmic seed that would have to shift. The thing that would have to shift would be women would have to realize their value and worth in order to get you guys to stop marching around the building all the time, earning your way in, that to genuinely get you fed and guided. Mm-hmm. I can't see how it could happen before that. This one piece has to come into place. So then what has to happen for that? Wow, the incredibly just compelling story that we are, that there's an insufficiency for women. That's the illusion. I don't have enough love, I don't have enough money, I don't have enough rights, I don't have enough. So that is fundamental sense of insufficiency. What we don't realize is it's leeching us, it's robbing us of our own value and understanding of who we are, because we are the abundance. You can't see the sufficiency because it's like trying to see your own eye.